Hi everyone. I'm going to show you how you can build your own turkey. We're going to be using a program called Jamboard. You're going to go to the link that I'm sharing and you're going to click on it and it's going to ask if you want to make a copy. You're going to say yes, you do want to make a copy. When you first open the file, you'll be on the first page. Go up to the top and use the arrow to go to the second page. If you're doing this on a computer, on a desktop or a laptop, it'll open up the file and it'll automatically be set to selection mode. That means that the arrow on the left hand side has a dark circle around it, and that's perfect. That's exactly what you want. On the left hand side, these are different tools, and the one with the arrow, when you're on that one, then you can move things around. So now you're in selection mode. You can click on any of the parts and you can move them anywhere that you want. If you want to rotate something, you can just click on the upper left-hand corner and turn it. If you want to add other things to your drawing, you can click on other tools on the left-hand side. There's a pen, there's an eraser. If you're doing this on an iPad, when you first open the file, you will need to get the Jamboard app. It's free. It's a Google app, like Google Slides. So the file will open if you have the Jamboard app, and you will need to click on the blue pencil in the lower right-hand corner so that you can edit the file. And then you won't automatically be in selection mode, you'll automatically be in the pen drawing mode. So if you start moving on your screen, it'll draw lines. If you want to be able to move things around, you have to click on the select tool. It's the arrow. And once you've clicked on the arrow and you see a dark circle around it, then you can move things around. And you can move them and you can rotate them if you want. So now you can build a turkey. And once you're happy with the way it looks, you can take a screenshot if you want. You can share it with me if you want. You can change it around. It's up to you. It's for fun. Happy Thanksgiving.